Welcome to all students of BCom faculties, Naugan College, Parli Vijayanagar. I am here present our syllabus basic accounting concept. Account means business transaction, systematic record of the business transaction. Any business transaction, we systematic record of the. This is simple language. We can say definition of accounting. But some definitions given by the national and international authorities, also organizations. Here, one very famous definition given by the American Accounting Association. The process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit, inform, judgment and decision by users of the information. This definition is given by American Accounting Association. Here, second definition is given. This definition also given by American Chartered Institute. A service activity whose function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decision. This examine also American Institute of Chartered Public Accounts. These are two definitions of accounting to display the process of measuring and communicating economic information is given to the shareholder, to the investor, to the public, to the staff, to the organization. Then, accounting as a help to decision making. How to help to the decision making process of accounting? Accounting helps in decision making by showing where and when money has been spent, by evaluating performance and by showing the implication of choosing one plan instead of another, fundamental relationship in the decision making process. Even accountants analysis and recording financial statement users. The flow accounting information, business transaction occur. Business prepare reports to show the results of their operations. People make decisions. The flow of accounting information. Accounting systems are designed to meet the needs of the decision makers who use the financial information. Every business maintains some type of accounting system. The accounting systems may be very complex or very simply, but the real value of any accounting system lies in the information that system provides. In this way, users of accounting information provided by the accounting system to the individual business, investor and creditors. Investor, they invest money to invest in the industry or business. Creditors also invest their capital into the business. Then government regulatory agencies also is getting information from accounting. Then taxing authorities, our country authority of taxing is information giving to the authority. Then non-profit organizations also the getting information from accounting. Here we always used double entry accounting system. Double entry accounting system means based on simple concept, each party in business transaction will receive something and give something in return. In bookkeeping terms, what is received is a debit and what is given is a credit. The T account is representation of a social scale or balance. Financing accounting are external users, investors, creditors, regulators, customers, competitors. There are three branches or types of accounting. Financial accounting, its focus is on reporting to external parties. It provides financial statement based on generally accepted accounting principles. Then management accounting, it measures and reports financial and non-financial information that helps managers makes decision to fulfill the goals of an organizations. Then cost accounting, it provides information of both management accounting and financial accounting. It measures and reports financial and non-financial data. Here some concept include in the accounting. Asset is very important concept in the accounting. What is an asset? It is a something company owns which has future economic value. These are land, building, equipment, goodwill. Means these are property. Means we can say asset in the accounting. Then liability. What is liability? It is something a company owes. Money, service, product. These are liabilities example. Then revenue. They are amounts received or to be received from customers for sales or products or services. Sales, performance of services, rent, interest. Then expenses. Expenses is necessary part of the accounting. When we expenses of the capital, then we will get the income or profit in last year. What is our expenses? They are amounts that have been paid or will be paid later for cost that have been incurred to earn revenue. Salaries and wages, utilizes, suppliers, used, advertise. Then the basic accounting equation. This equation adopted in the accounting data is represented by the following relationship among the asset, liabilities and owners equity of business. Asset is equal to liabilities plus owners equity, that is called asset. asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Owner's equity means own capital, own cash, business amount. The equation must be in balance after every recorded transaction in the system. Then classification of accounts. These are three accounts. Real account. First is what comes in business. Debit the what comes in the business. What is coming in the business? That is treated by the principle of debit will be debit. What goes out from the business means credit. Then personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is receiver? That will be treated by the personal account rules, debit. Then who is giver? That will be credit. Then nominal account. Debit expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains. If business has expenses or losses, that is treated by nominal account is the debit all expenses and losses, and all incomes and gains included in the credit sides of nominal account. Debit and credit side of the account, an entry or balance on the left side of an account. Any account of left side is a debit side. Credit in entire or balance on the right side of an account. Our right side is credit side, our left side is debit side. Debit is always the left side, credit is always right side. Then recorded types. Journal. Journal, what is journal? Journal means rough record of the business, that is called journal. It is simple language, but scientifically we can say of journal. What is journal? It is a list in chronological order of all the transaction for the business. Identity transaction from source documents, specify document affected, apply debit credit rules, record transaction with description, then journal entry and analytical of the effect of transaction on the business, on the account, usually by explanation of the transaction. The analysis identification accounts to be debited and credited. What does journal entry include? Data of the transaction, title of the account debited, title of the account credited, amount of the debit and credit, description of the transaction means we can say narration. Narration also we have to write of the description, that is transaction. Transaction means here journal, ledger, then balance sheet also. Ledger a group related account kept current in a systematic manner. Think of ledger as a book. Here ledger account is finish here. Then part 2 our lecture we have to discuss on ledger account. Ledger account is systematic record of the account, that is called ledger. Listing accounts with balance at the ledger. Okay.